In this video, we're diving into how to spin up a WordPress site in minutes using ZipWP and move it to real hosting. If you've ever tried to build a WordPress website before, good chance that you've had this exact experience. You get excited about an idea. You decide, okay, today's the day I'm finally building my site. You open a few tabs, hosting, domain, WordPress installers, and about 30 minutes later, you're already annoyed. Not because WordPress is bad or evil, but because getting started feels way harder than it should. That's what this video is about. I want to show you a much more relaxed way to build a WordPress site, especially if you're a beginner or you just don't feel like dealing with a ton of setup right now. We're going to start by using ZipWP to spin up a real WordPress site in minutes. No hosting, no installs, no pressure. Just getting the idea out of your head and onto a screen. Then, once the site actually feels real, once you know, yeah, this is something I want to keep, we'll move it over to real hosting using Hostinger. Think of this like building the house first and worrying about the land later. If you've been stuck in planning mode or you've tried WordPress before and bounced off of it, this workflow makes the whole thing feel way more approachable. The big idea: stop starting with hosting. Most people start WordPress in the wrong place. They start with hosting. They compare plans, pricing, performance, storage limits, traffic caps before they even know what their website is going to look like. That's backwards. Your first goal shouldn't be perfect hosting. Your first goal should be clarity. What pages do I need? What should the homepage say? What does this site even look like? ZipWP is perfect for this stage because it removes all the friction. You're not committing to anything long term. You're just creating a real WordPress site so you can think clearly. This is especially helpful if you're brand new to WordPress. You're building your very first website. You're testing a business idea. Or you're just tired and you don't want to overthink things. Instead of asking, what hosting plan do I need? You're asking, does this site idea even make sense? Creating your WordPress site with ZipWP. So go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with ZipWP if you haven't already. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can sign up and build your free site now. Sounds pretty good to me. When you land inside ZipWP, the first thing you'll notice is that it doesn't feel technical. There's no talk about servers, databases, or environments. The entire experience starts with one simple idea. What are you trying to build? You can spin up a blank WordPress site instantly if you want. But for beginners, the real magic is letting ZipWP help you structure the site for you. You describe what the site is about in plain English. Maybe it's a service business, a personal site, a portfolio, a side project, or just something you've been meaning to build. You don't need perfect wording here. This isn't a test. You're just giving the system a direction. From there, ZipWP does something that most beginners struggle with: create structure. Instead of staring at an empty WordPress dashboard wondering what page comes next, you suddenly have a home page, an about page, a services or offerings page, a contact page, and not just blank pages, real layouts with sections that make sense. This is huge because most people don't quit WordPress due to complexity. They quit because of uncertainty. ZipWP removes that uncertainty right away, from idea to structure, without overthinking it. One of the most underrated parts of ZipWP is how it handles planning. Normally, when you build a site, you're expected to describe how many pages you need, decide what goes on each page, decide what order everything should be in. That's a lot if you've never done this before. ZipWP flips that around. You start with the idea, and it gives you a first draft of the structure. Not something locked in, not something you can't change, just a starting point. And that's exactly what beginners need. You can look at this site and say, okay, this makes sense. Or I don't need this page, or I should add one more section here. You're reacting instead of guessing, which is way easier mentally. So let's go ahead and get started here. Go ahead and click on sign up and build your free site now. So we can either sign up with email or one click with Google. I'd rather do the one click with Google, so let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and click on continue until we get through here. And here we go. It's going to ask us what we're planning to use ZipWP for. To build a website from a business, create websites for clients, or just trying it out. I'm going to go ahead and click I'm just trying it out. How familiar are you with WordPress? I'm new to WordPress, I know the basics, or I know my way around. Go ahead and say I'm new to WordPress. Preferred page builder, so I actually do know a decent amount about WordPress, and I know that I do like Elementor, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and select. Do you have a hosting plan? Yes, I already have a hosting. Or no, I do not have hosting. Not sure. I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, I already have hosting. And where did you hear about ZipWP? Obviously, you heard it on the My First Website YouTube channel. So we're going to go ahead and click on YouTube. So then it's going to go ahead and give us some options here. So you can either go without hosting or with hosting. Now, one thing to notice is they do have this hobby thing here. So you can go ahead and pay this one-time fee, or if you go ahead and go with the hosting, there is some different options here. You can go ahead and just pause the video here and look at the screen here, choose the right plan for you. I'm going to go ahead and just get started with this free plan here. So we'll go ahead and click on get started, and there we go. It's going to give us this little setup wizard here, to go ahead and get us familiar with this. So we'll go ahead and click on start tour. So we've got sandbox sites. We can manage all websites you create with ZipWP in one place. We've got projects. So if we're working on multiple projects, we can organize the sites into projects for easy navigation and management. There's blueprints. They're a powerful way to create and share copies of your WordPress sites. They have shortcuts. So AI sites, blank sites, custom sites, usage info to stay on top of your quota. And let's go ahead and build your first website with AI. Let's go ahead and do that and click on get started. Let's go ahead and click start over. Name of the website, we're going to call this Eric's Super Cool Website. This website is for photography. Maybe we'll go landscape. We'll just go photography. Super cool photography website. And we'll go ahead and click next. So please describe Eric's super cool photography website in a few words. All right, so I had AI go ahead and write this for me. I just typed it into ChatGPT and said, write me up a description for a photography website, and we'll go ahead and click next. We're gonna go ahead and just skip this step for now. This will be used on the website to get in contact with, so you should actually do this, but for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and skip this step. And now we can go ahead and select images. So let's see here. I like this one. I like this one and this one. That one's kind of cool. I like that one and that one. And let's go ahead, and that one too maybe. That one. I like the cow. All right, and let's go ahead and click next. And now it's gonna go ahead and generate us a preview. All right, so we've got some different options here. We've got some premiums, some free ones. It looks like this one is not a premium one, so I'm gonna go ahead and select that one. And we've got some different options here. We can upload our own files. We can change the font, change the color. I don't like the blue really. I think the green will be a little bit better vibe with this, or maybe even the yellow. I like that a lot. That is it. Go ahead and click continue. We've got all this stuff here. Let's go ahead and we'll start building the website. There we go. So what you'll see inside WordPress and why it's not scary. Now, once your site is created, ZipWP gives you WordPress login access. This is important. You're not using some weird proprietary builder. You're inside real WordPress. That means everything you learn here carries forward when you move to real hosting later. The pages are built using modern block-based editing. You can click on sections, edit text directly, swap images, and move things around without touching code. If you can use Google Docs, you can handle this. At this stage, I don't recommend obsessing over design. Instead, focus on understanding what each page is trying to do, how the content flows, where visitors are meant to click next. This is where clarity starts to happen. Editing your site without getting overwhelmed. Here's where a lot of beginners accidentally burn themselves out. So let me simplify this. You do not need to perfect everything right now. In fact, you shouldn't. Start with the homepage. Read the main headline out loud. Ask yourself, if someone landed here, would they know what this site is about in 5 seconds? If the answer is no, tweak it. Then look at the next section. Does it explain what you offer? Does it sound like something a real person would say? That's it. You're not trying to impress anyone. You're just trying to be clear. From there, move to the services or main content page. Replace generic descriptions with your own words. Keep sentences short. Pretend you're explaining this to someone who knows nothing about your industry. The about page can come later. The fonts can come later. The colors can come later. Right now, you're shaping the idea, not polishing it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our website. We'll go ahead, copy these login credentials here real quick. Let's just go copy. We'll open that in a new tab, and let's go ahead and see our site. All right, so here we go. We can go ahead and see our website. Now we can tell we're in WordPress because we can see up here in the top left, it's WordPress. It's just sort of like the site preview version. And here we go. Capturing life's real moments. Relaxed photography that reflects your true self without the stress of posing or editing. Pretty legit. And again, as you can see, these images are going to need to be changed around, right? Like for portraits, it just shows a landscape, but that's okay. The layout is what we're looking for. Like I said earlier, we're not going for perfection. We're just going for a starting point, right? Eric's super cool photography website. Yeah, this is fantastic. So we've got a homepage and a about page, an offerings, a blog, and a contact. So let's go to the about. Here we go. About Eric, the story behind Eric's passion. Eric's super cool photography. I believe in providing a relaxed environment that fosters natural interactions. My approach allows clients to feel comfortable, ensuring the photos captured are real and relatable. Wow, lovely. Sound like a real photographer. Come to offerings here. So there's portraits, lifestyle, brand content, some different options here, a blog here. So you can see how this looks. We got a nice layout here, and this is looking fantastic. So why this is the perfect thinking space for a website. So this is where ZipWP really shines, because you're not paying for hosting yet. There's no pressure to get it right. You can experiment, delete pages, rewrite sections, change direction, without that feeling of, I already paid for this, so I better hurry. That mental freedom is everything. A lot of great sites don't fail because the owner lacked skill. They fail because the process felt stressful. This keeps it light, knowing when you're ready to move on. Eventually, one of two things will happen. Either you realize the idea isn't worth continuing, or you look at the site and think, okay, this is real now. That second moment is important. That's when it makes sense to move the site to real hosting. Not because ZipWP stops working, but because now you want your own domain, long-term control, a permanent home, and that's where Hostinger comes in. Moving to real hosting with Hostinger, the easy way. All right, let me be very clear here. Moving your site is not rebuilding your site. You're not starting over. You're not redesigning. You're not rewriting content. You're literally just moving the house from one piece of land to another. Hostinger is a great choice for beginners because it keeps this part simple. You set up a WordPress install and that's it. You don't touch themes. You don't touch layouts. You don't set up anything manually. That empty WordPress install is just a container for your existing site. How migration works in plain English. So here's the simplest explanation possible. Your WordPress site is made up of files, themes, images, plugins, a database for pages, settings, and content. A migration tool packages all of that into one bundle. You export it from ZipWP. You import it to Hostinger. WordPress unpacks it. That's it. No technical knowledge required. This is why I don't recommend manually moving files or messing with databases as a beginner. Let the tools do the work. So if you want to get started with Hostinger, we've got a link for you down in the description below. Just click on that link and it'll bring you to this page right here where you can click on Claim the Deal and get up to 85% off of Hostinger. And I've got two different plans to choose from, the Premium Website Builder and the Business Website Builder. With the Premium Website Builder, you can create one website with 5 website pages, but with the Business, you can create up to 50 websites with unlimited website pages. So go ahead and scroll down here so you can see all the different stuff that you get in these, and it's kind of a clear choice here to go with the Business Website Builder. So let's go ahead and choose that one. So you've got a couple choices here. You can go ahead and choose the period that you want to commit to. That's either 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. The longer you commit, the more savings you're going to see. So for 48 months, you're going to see the best savings. Now under coupon code, you want to type in my first website. Click apply, and that's going to save you even more money. So for $129.17, you're going to get 48 months of hosting. Pretty great deal. So if you want to get started with Hostinger, click the link down below in the description and use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. What happens after the move? Once the site is imported, you log back in and it looks exactly the same. Same pages, same layout, same content. The only thing that changed is where it lives. At this point, you can connect your custom domain, add plugins, improve performance, and start treating it like a real project. And because you already did the thinking work earlier, this part feels calm instead of overwhelming. Why this workflow actually works for beginners. The entire process is about lowering friction. Instead of, I need to learn WordPress before I start, you're doing the I'll start and learn as I go. ZipWP handles the hardest mental part, structure and clarity. Hostinger handles the long-term stability. You never feel lost, you never feel rushed, you never feel stuck staring at a blank screen. So if WordPress has ever felt intimidating to you, it's not because you can't do it. It's because most people are shown the most technical path first. This workflow flips that. You start with the idea, you shape it visually, you make it real, and you give it a permanent home. So if you want to get started with ZipWP or Hostinger, you'll find links down in the description below. Those are affiliate links, which means the channel earns a small commission if you use them at no extra cost to you. That support genuinely helps keep these tutorials going. If this video helped you feel more confident about building your first website, hit like, subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.